Welcome back to The Best Cars, where we bring you the latest and greatest from the world of luxury and performance vehicles. Today, we're diving into the bold and refined 2025 Mercedes-Benz GLE Coupe, a stunning fusion of style, power, and cutting-edge technology that takes the SUV game to a whole new level. The 2025 GLE Coupe continues Mercedes' tradition of combining sporty elegance with SUV practicality. From the very first glance, it's clear this isn't your typical family vehicle. The sleek coupe-like roofline, aggressive front fascia with a prominent grille and LED headlights, and the sculpted body lines give it a dynamic and athletic appearance. Mercedes has truly mastered the art of blending luxury with performance design. Under the hood, the GLE Coupe comes with a range of powertrains, but the highlight for most enthusiasts will be the GLE 53 and GLE 63S AMG variants. The GLE 53 packs a turbocharged inline 6 with EQ boost, delivering around 429 horsepower, while the GLE 63S pushes things further with a handcrafted 4.0-liter V8 bi-turbo engine that unleashes a massive 603 horsepower. With 0 to 60 times as quick as 3.7 seconds in the GLE 63S, you're looking at serious performance wrapped in luxury. Inside, the cabin is pure Mercedes-Benz, high-end materials, meticulous craftsmanship, and next-gen tech. You get the latest MBUX infotainment system with dual 12.3-inch displays that respond to voice, touch, or gesture. Wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, augmented reality navigation, and a premium Burmester surround sound system all come standard or optional depending on the trim. The seats are beautifully contoured, offering heating, cooling, and even massage functions. The rear seats are surprisingly spacious, and the coupe design doesn't sacrifice much in terms of cargo space either. One of the key upgrades for the 2025 model is the improved driver assistance suite. Features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, active blind spot monitoring, and the latest version of Mercedes' semi-autonomous drive pilot make this vehicle not just fast and luxurious, but also smart and safe. When it comes to driving dynamics, the GLE Coupe shines. Thanks to the aromatic air suspension and available AMG active ride control, the ride remains smooth and composed even on challenging roads. It balances agility with comfort in a way few competitors can match, offering a true luxury performance SUV experience. Mercedes also pays close attention to sustainability. The hybrid assistance in models like the GLE 53 helps reduce emissions and improve efficiency, making the GLE Coupe a more eco-conscious choice without sacrificing performance. In a crowded SUV market, the 2025 Mercedes-Benz GLE Coupe stands out not just because of its distinctive styling, but because of its ability to deliver luxury, technology, and power in perfect harmony. It's a vehicle that speaks to drivers who want it all: elegance, excitement, and everyday usability. Thanks for watching The Best Cars. If you love luxury performance vehicles as much as we do, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more reviews and updates. See you in the next video.